Let's get some money.
Stop!
$5,000 and a spin. Here it comes. Who's the champ gonna be?
All right! Stop!
Stop it, big bucks. $4,000 and a spin. The line. I've got a plan. You're gonna play it. Let's see if Joyce makes the win. Stop at $1,250. And Joy, you're the winner once again with $10,000.
Today, these three players are after big bucks, but they'll have to avoid the whammy as they play the most exciting game of their lives. From Television City in Hollywood, it's time to press your luck. And now, here's your host, the star of Press Your Luck, Peter Tamarkin.
Thank you. Thank you, Roddy. Hi, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Press Your Luck, our own little soap opera with big bucks and no whammies, hopefully. Let's meet the three players vying for the big bucks right now, starting with our first player, Nina Jo Yachts. How are you, Nina Jo?
I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Nina Jo, you know what you're going to have to do for us? You're going to have to stand up, Nina Jo.
Oh, you
Stand up. Come on,
Nina
Nina Jo.
Pick on me.
Stand up, Nina Jo. Okay, stand up. I want to show how short. Now, come on, you stand up and show everybody. Can you see?
I'm standing.
Come down here, Nina Jo.
Oh,
Come down.
no.
Can we get a camera? Can we borrow a camera from Price is Right or what? See, Nina Jo has shorts on.
It's California.
If I had legs like Nina Jo, I'd wear shorts too.
Oh, thank you.
Which is why I don't wear shorts, as you can see. Well, Nina Jo, you feel a little bit better now?
Yeah.
Where are you from, Nina Jo?
Well, I'm originally from New York, Irvington, New York. It's a little tiny town, and I've been out in California for 10 years.
A long time.
Yeah.
And now you want money, too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Nina Jo, good luck to you.
Thanks.
All right, our second player is our champ, Angelo Repento, with $18,876. Andrew, you do a mean, what is it, a mean rooster, mean chicken? What is this?
What, with this?
Yeah.
This is just kind of a waka waka waka.
Oh, I understand, yes. Kind of a universal language, I see.
Well, I watch a lot of Three Stooges. Yik, 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 whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah.
You do that remarkably well.
Well, thank you,
But
thank
your
you.
intellect is higher than Three Stooges because you won all that money.
Certainly.
So you want more big bucks, right?
Oh, most definitely, Peter. Yee-doo, woo.
There's the Two Stooges. Is all we need is someone like Dick Clark, and we've got three of us. Now, let's go to Paul. No. I like Dick. Dick's a nice man. He's got a good show. He's a nice man. He has more money than anybody deserves to have.
That's right.
Paul, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you, Peter?
Paul, the keys are right?
Yes,
How are you,
absolutely
Paul?
right. Great. I'm fine.
Paul.
How are you?
Paul, you were born on a very weird day. Is this the truth?
No, I don't think it was weird at all. I was born on Friday the 13th. Now, contrary to popular belief, however,
Yeah.
this makes me immune to the usual bad luck things like, you know, ladders, mirrors, black cats.
And
it means bad luck for everybody else
I
playing
got
against
you.
me.
And no whammies. No, they don't bother you in the slightest.
Absolutely not.
All right, Paul, let's go for it
I
here.
had a long talk with him
Let's
before.
just go
I'm
through
ready.
the ritual. You'll make all the money. Here we
I'm
go.
ready, yeah.
Buzz and answer 3 spins, multiple choice 1 spin. Here we go. Out of every 10 Americans, how many are too young to remember life before television? Nina Jo.
2.
Okay. Is the correct answer 2, 4, or 7? Andrew?
4.
What do you think, Paul?
4.
7. Okay. Let's go to the next question. What the heck? We're having a fun time. During this past November presidential election, which state cast the most votes for president in the Electoral College? I assume you guys are all from the United States.
Yes.
Just an assumption I make. I'll give it to you in multiple choice, boys and girls. If you're right, you'll get a spin. If not, I'm going to be ticked off. Here we go. Which state cast the most votes for president in the Electoral College in the past November presidential election? Was it New York, California, or Texas? Nina Jo?
California.
California. Andrew?
Could you repeat that question just one more time?
No, I won't. During this past November presidential election, which state cast the most votes for president in the Electoral College? New York, California, or Texas?
California.
What do you think, Paul?
California.
You're helping yourselves out. The nation's biggest electoral state is California. Nina Jo spin, Andrew spin, Paul spin. Spins are running amok here. Here we go.
Yeah.
In which sport do the players compete for the Stanley Cup? Andrew?
Hockey.
Is it hockey, tennis, or polo, Nina Joe?
Hockey.
What do you think, Paul?
Hockey.
Stanley Cup is given to the hockey champ. Yeah. Nina Joe 2, Andrew to 4, Paul to 2. Don't stop now, guys. You're on a roll.
I'm rolling.
Elizabeth Taylor married one of her 6 husbands twice. Andrew?
Richard Burton.
Is it Richard Burton, Eddie Fisher, or John Warner, Nina Joe?
Richard Burton.
What do you think, Paul?
Richard Burton.
Elizabeth Taylor became Mrs. Richard Burton twice. Nina Joe goes to 3, Andrew to 7, Paul to 3. Stay there because big bucks are coming your way right after these words. Don't go away. We're coming right back after this. For money, moolah, dinero, it's up there, over $13,000. You want that, you don't want the whammies because they take away your money. You want to win this round, so you'll play last in the final round. That's kind of advantageous. You know about passing your remaining spins, and 4 whammies is going to be like a total bummer, you know? So stay away from that. 3 spins, Nina Joe, you're first. Are you ready?
Right.
Hit it.
Okay, let's go. No whammies. Come on, this is for my dog, Vicky Putnam. Let's go. Stop.
Stop at $500, first place, 2 spins, pressure or pass.
Let's go. Come on. No whammies. Whammies, stay away. Stay away. Come back another day. Bye.
Stop at $1,500. $2,000, Nina Joe. 1 spin left, first place.
Okay, I'm growing.
All right.
I'm growing. Let's go. Let's go. Whammies, stay away. This is for my dad. Here you go, Dad. Stop.
Stop at Concord, California, Nina Joe. A trip there worth $571. That's $25.71. First place for now. Let's go to Paul with 3 spins.
Okay.
See if you can do better than Nina Joe.
We're gonna play here. Here we go. Ready, and stop.
Stop at $500. 2 spins. Second place. $2,071 less than Nina Joe. You're gonna pass. Paul is into strategy. Nina Joe, 2 more to you. Can you handle them? Here they come. Here we go, Nina Joe.
I'll go for it. Okay, whammy. Stay away, whammy. Don't go. Stop.
Stop at $250. So far, so good. 28-21. 1 more spin you have to take. Here it
Come
comes.
on, everybody, cross your fingers for me. Stop.
Stop at $600. 34-21. A nice thank you to Paul. He gave you about $800. That's a nice guy, Paul. Andrew, 7 spins. You ready?
I'm ready, Peter.
Let's do it.
Let's get some big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $650.
All right.
6 spins, second place.
We're going.
All right.
Come on, baby, big bucks. Come on and get some. Stop.
Stop at 400 more. That's 1,050.
Okay,
5 spins.
we are moving. We're moving. Big bucks.
400 less.
Big bucks. Come on,
Mary
baby.
Jo.
No whammies. No whammies. Come on and
Nina
get
Joe.
you some big
Mary Jo's
bucks.
assistant.
Stop.
Stop at 500 to spin. 1,550.
Oh, yeah.
Still have your 5 spins.
Oh, yeah.
About $1,900 less than Nina Joe.
We're going.
Okay.
We're going. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Big bucks. We're talking to you. Come on. No whammies. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at punch set.
Oh,
Yeah, punch set.
All right.
$585.
Okay, we're
Don't
still,
look
we're still
askance through a
moving.
punch set, Andrew. You never know when you'll need it. 21.35, 4 spins.
We're going,
Hit
Peter.
it.
We're going for something to put in that punch set. Let's go. Big bucks, no whammies. Oh, yeah. Stop.
Stop, put the money in the punch set. $250. $23.85, about $1,000 separates you and Nina Joe. 3 spins, press your luck or pass.
We're going to go one more time.
One more time. I've heard that before. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Come on, baby. No whammies. Big buckolas. Yeah. Stop.
Stop, Adam. Andrew, I don't know if you caught it, but Nina Joe actually cheered
I know,
when that happened.
but that's all right.
You know? I just thought I'd report what I see. I have to give you the facts,
It's okay.
Andrew. 2 spins left. You want to hit it again?
We're going.
Okay, here we
We're going,
go.
baby. Come on. Come on, big bucks. Come on, big bucks. No whammies. Ouch on those whammies. Come on. Stop.
Stop, Adam. Whammy. Andrew, let's chat. You have 2 whammies, no dollars, 1 spin. You want to be careful about picking up a 3rd whammy in round 1.
Yes.
Also, on this show, we don't hit ladies. We haven't yet, so to speak.
Yeah, I'm going to, I'm playing, Peter.
I'm going to
Come
plays,
on.
Andrew. The heck with it. Let's go
Pressing
for
my
it.
luck, baby. I'm talking to you. Big bucks. Come on and get your subs. Stop.
Stop at 500 in the spin. You're
Okay.
still in it. Tied with Paul, 2nd place, 1 spin.
I'm passing that spin.
Passing the spin to Nina Joe. 1 spin to you. Can you handle it, Nina Joe?
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we go. For sure.
All right, let's go. Come on. No whammies. Come on.
$400. Paul, 500. Andrew, 500. Nina Joe with 38-21. You have first place in the advantage. We're coming right back after these words for a whole new round. Join us. All right, we're having so much fun, we're going to do it again. I have more questions. Do you have some more answers? You want to just give me the answers and I'll just see if they match up?
Okay.
No, it's not going to work.
ahead.
Nina Joe says, yeah, let's go for it.
Let's go.
What the heck? All right, if you match these questions, you'll get spins. Isn't that great?
Yes.
I figured you'd like that. Here we go with the first one. What fraction of us admit we take horoscopes seriously? Paul?
1/4.
Is it 1/4, 1/2, or 3/4, Nina Joe?
1/4.
What do you think, Andrew?
1/4.
We take those signs seriously. Say 1/4 of us. Nina Joe gets a spin. Andrew a spin. Paul 3. Did any of you read yours this morning?
What?
No, it's not that.
What's a horoscope?
You're not a part of the 1/4, evidently. I read mine. If I had gone along with it, I wouldn't be here today. Here we go. According to their advertising slogan, at General Electric, what is their most important product? Paul.
Happiness.
Is it happiness, progress, or light? Nina Joe?
Light.
Light. What do you think, Andrew?
Progress.
According to their slogan, GE's most important product is progress. And Andrew goes to 2. You know, it's amazing. General Electric has spent about 10 years and $88 trillion with that, and 1 out of 3 people remembers it. The guy at GE just slit his wrists. You know what I mean? What the heck? Here we go.
Okay.
Okay. This should help you get some sea legs. In nautical terms, what is the front of a boat called, Paul?
The bow.
Is it the bow, the port, or the starboard, Nina Joe?
The bow.
What do you think?
bow.
Andrew says the bow, and he's right. The front of a boat is a bow. Nina Joe 2, Andrew 3, Paul 6. Last question. Quick. What organization's motto is the simple admonition, be prepared? Paul.
Boy Scouts of America.
Is it the Boy Scouts of America, the Rotary Club, or the Kennel Club, Nina Joe?
Boy Scouts of America.
Boy Scouts.
Did I ask you, Andrew?
Sorry.
Okay, but you're right. Be prepared is a stalwart motto of the Boy Scouts of America. Nina Joe goes to 3, Andrew to 4, Paul to 9. Big bucks coming up, and after these words, so come on back. We're going to have a good time. For the big buckaroos, over 100 grand up there with trips to Cancun. There's motorcycles and 2,000 or lose a whammy. Double your money. Haven't had that in a while. That could be very significant. Stay away from the whammy. Takes away all your money. Nina Joe with 38-21. You will play last.
Yes.
And Andrew with $500, 2 whammies, 4 spins. You are foist. You ready, champ?
We'll be, yeah,
Here we go.
Okay, Peter, we're looking for some big bucks. Come on, baby. Press your luck. Here we go. No whammies, big bucks. Yeah!
Stop at $7.50 and a spin, $12.50 and 4 spins. Second place, Andrew.
We're moving, Peter. We're going for the big bucks. Double your money, motorcycle. I don't care. No whammies. Let's go. Stop.
Oh, just avoided the whammy. 1,000 and a spin. $22.50, 4 spins.
Okay, baby. We're going.
All right.
Let's go. Roll it, baby. Big bucks. No whammies. Let's hear it for some bucks. Yeah. Stop.
Stop at $500.
All right.
$27.50, 3 spins. $1,100 separates you and Nina Joe.
Go, go, go,
Right.
go, go. Big bucks. Come on. Let's see some big bucks. No whammies. Stop.
Stop at $2,000. $47.50, first place by about $929. 2
We
spins.
gotta go. We gotta go,
All right.
Peter. We're going. Press my luck. Come on. Big bucks. We're talking to you, baby. Stop.
Stop at $750. $5,500, Andrew. 1 spin left. A little less than $1,700 separates you and Nina Joe. 1 spin.
I'm gonna play, Peter.
Play on, says Andrew.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Big bucks. No whammies. No whammies. Stop.
Stop at $1,500 and a spin, $7,000. You still have 1 spin, Andrew. What are you going to do?
Oh. I'm gonna pass it.
About $3,200 separates you and Nina Joe. It goes to Nina Joe. 1 to you. You don't take it yet, though, Nina Joe. We go to Paul with 9 spins and $500. Paul?
Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, Elaine. Charge them up. Yeah. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at a motorboat.
Motorboat. Yeah.
Paul, That's worth $5,562.
Yeah.
Well done. Second place
Yeah.
with $6,062.
All right.
8 spins.
Crankola. Here we go. Everybody look out. Stop.
Stop at a Windjammer cruise.
Whatever,
That cruise is
Windjammer.
valued at $22.10. Paul, first place with $82.72, $12.72 more than Andrew, 7 spins.
Press. Ola. Ready? Here we go. Everybody look out. Stop.
Stop at 700 and a spin. $89.72, still 7 spins, Paul. $19.72 more than Andrew.
We're pressing.
Keep going? All right.
We are going. Ready? Everybody look out. Stop.
Stop at $2,000. $10,972, Paul. 6 spins left.
6 spins.
$3,972 more than Andrew.
6 spins.
6, a lot of spins.
We've got to go.
Okay,
That's
looking
6
for
spins.
more
We've
bucks.
got to go. Okay, here we go. Ready? Everybody look out. Stop.
Stop at pick a corner, 2250 Cancun or a motorcycle.
Eeny, meeny. I'm going for the cash. 2250.
2250, you've got it. Paul, that's now 13,222. That's $6,222 more than Andrew. You have 5 spins
I have
left.
5 spins.
Yep.
And when I pass them, who would they go to?
They would go to Andrew.
He's got 7,000.
Yep.
I'm going to play 1.
One more. Okay, Paul.
I'm going to play
Here
1.
we go.
Here we go. Stop.
Stop at 1,000 and a spin. 14,222, and the 5 spins get passed to you,
Give
Andrew.
them to me. Give them. I
Andrew
want
said,
those
give 'em.
spins.
Give 'em.
I want those
A lot of bucks.
spins. I want big
7,222
bucks.
separates Andrew
Big bucks.
and Paul.
Come on, get your sons. Stop.
Stop at 750 and a spin.
All right,
77.50.
we're moving.
4 more spins you have to take. Andrew, here
Let's go for
comes
it,
the
Peter. Here we
first.
go. Come on, big bucks. Yes. No whammies. Stop.
Stop at 1,000 and a spin. 87.50. Earn the
Righteous.
spin. 3 more to go.
Okay, we
Go.
want some big bucks. We're looking for some big bucks. Double your cash. The motorcycle would be nice. No whammies. Come on, baby. Stop.
Stop at pick a corner, 2250 Cancun or a motorcycle.
Oh my God. I want the cash.
Cash, you got it. Andrew, your total is now up to $11,000. 3,222 less than Paul. 2 more spins you have to take. Here comes the foist.
I'm ready. Let's go for some big bucks. Stop.
Stop at a sailboat. Sailboat. 1,015, Andrew. 12,015. 1 more spin you have to take. Let's see what you get. Here we go.
All right, baby. You whammy, stay away. Stop. Stop.
Oh, Andrew, 12,015 down the drain. Nina, Joe, and Paul are elated. You are not. You have 2 spins left. You have 3 whammies. 1 more whammy, you'll be out of the game.
Well, it's kind of, I gotta go for it.
I got you, Andrew.
I gotta go for it,
Here we
Peter.
go.
What the heck?
Looking for
Let's
big
look
bucks?
for some big bucks, huh? Come on, baby. Give me some big bucks. Come on, stop.
Stop at 700 and a spin. Back in the chips, still having 2 spins. 3rd place, Andrew.
Let's go
Do
for
it
it.
again.
Come on, baby. Big bucks. Where's the big bucks? Huh? We're looking for you. Come on, stop.
Stop at double your dollars and a spin. Well, what is $1,400, Andrew, and you still have 2 spins.
Go for it.
3rd place.
Go for it. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. No whammies, big bucks. Stop.
Stop at 4,000 and a spin. Andrew, $5,400, and you still have 2 spins. You're in 2nd place, Andrew.
I'm passing my
All right,
spin.
the 2 spins go to Paul, who cheered so wildly when you got a whammy. Let's see what happens to Paul with $14,222. Stop at 1,000 and a spin. 15,222. 1 more you have to take, Paul.
Okay, Randy, I need you now. Stop.
Stop at a 1,500 and a spin. Paul, you're at 16,722. 2 to you, Andrew. You get him back.
Okay, I want
$5,400. 3
those
whammies. 1 more whammy. Andrew's out of the game.
Come on, big bucks. Where are you? Big bucks, big bucks. Stop.
Stop at big screen TV, Andrew. That's worth $2,600. You're way up to $8,000. 1 more spin you have to take. Let's see if you can avoid the whammy, Andrew. Here it comes.
Okay. Come on, baby. Give me a spin. Give me some money. Give me something. Talk to me. Stop.
Stop at 1,000 and a spin.
All right.
$9,000. You have 1 spin. You're in 2nd place. You can press it or pass it. Paul.
Take it from there.
Paul. 16,722.
Come on, stop.
1 spin. Stop at 3,000 and a spin. 19,722. Back to you, Andrew. 1 more you have to take.
I can live with that. Come on. Come on. Stop.
Stop at 750 and a spin. 97.50, one spin. It's back to Paul.
And a spin.
Bring on the oxygen, Paul. One more you have to take. 19,722. Stop that away. Unbelievable. Normally at this time I say the game's over, but it ain't over till it's over, says Yogi. And Nina Joe, you've been cheering and going crazy. You're up. 38-21, one spin in the earned pass you have to take. Andrew's in the game, very much alive, Nina Joe. Here we go, you have to take it.
Okay, all right, I'm ready. No whammies, stay away. I need big bucks. Here comes my daddy, here we go, stop.
Stop at 700 on a spin, 45-21. You now have 4 spins in the earned column. You're in second place, press your luck or pass.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, all right.
Pressing my luck, all right. Come on, no whammies. I need big bucks, please, stop.
Stop at a surf jet. Nina Joe, that surf jet is valued at $2,350. It brings your total up to $6,871. That's about $2,900 less than Andrew. 3 spins, press your luck or pass.
I'm going.
She's going again. Here we go.
Come on. This is for my fiance, Dennis. I love you, honey. Stop.
Stop at 3,000 in a spin. 9,871. You're in first place by about $121, Nina Joe. You have 3 spins. What's your pleasure?
I'm going one more time.
One more time. Here we go.
It's for my doggy. This is for my doggy and my daddy and Dennis. Here we go. No whammies, please. No whammies. Stop.
Stop at $1,400. $11,271, Nina Joe. 2 spins left. You have about $1,500 more than Andrew. What do you want to do? About $1,521. 2 spins left. What's your pleasure?
I'm going one more time.
One more time.
Please,
Here we
I'm not being greedy. I'm being smart, right? Stop.
Stop at $1,500 and a spin. $12,771. 2 spins left. You're now in first place by about $3,021.
3,021?
Right. You have 2 spins left. What do you want to do? Pass. Andrew, are you up for this?
I am ready, okay?
3,021. One whammy makes Nina Joe the champ. Here we got the 3 Stooges up here. Andrew, here we go.
Come on, baby. Come on, give me some bucks.
Stop at $500. Andrew, $10,250. There is a difference of about $2,521. You'll have to get that much or more. That much ties Nina Joe. More than that, you win the game. Less than that, Nina Joe wins. If you whammy, Nina Joe wins. Are you ready, Andrew?
Yeah.
And Nina Joe, big spin. 25-21, separation 2.
Big bucks, baby. Come on. Come on, get you some big bucks. Come on and stop.
Stop at Paris. That trip to Paris, Andrew, has a value of $2,518. And you're shy by $3. Nina Joe, you won the game. And we'll be back and talk to Nina Joe right after this by $3. All right, we're back with today's big question about Nina Joe with $12,771. And Roddy's going to tell you what you won, Rod.
Yes, I will, Peter. Nina Joe, you won a jet ski. The all-new high-performance 236 SS from Surfjet Corporation combines the thrill of surfing, water skiing, and speedboating. Powered by a 15-horsepower motor capable of speeds up to 30 miles an hour. Nina Joe, you won a holiday to Concord, California. We'll fly you and your companion round the coast from Los Angeles to Oakland, California for a 3-night stay at the gorgeous Sheraton Concord in San Francisco's East Bay area. The magnificent atrium shelters splendid all-weather resort activities for great getaway weekends. It's all at the Sheraton Concord. Those prizes totaling $2,921 combined with the $9,850 in cash you won gives you a grand total, Nina Joe, of $12,771. Congratulations.
Nina Joe, 12,771. What a game. What a night. What a band. I'm telling you, it was a terrific game. And you're going to come back and do it again. Andrew, you're leaving us with $18,876. Well done, Andrew. Andrew, you've been a lot of fun. Paul, you leave us some nice prizes, so thank you for being with us. Until next time, this is Peter Tamarkin saying thanks for pressing your luck. Bye.